Are you ready to make a transformation? We've talked a lot on here about before and afters and client results and case studies and all this stuff. But I just realized I never actually showed you guys how to get a proper transformation done with fasting, preferably, or with whatever you choose to do. There are actually 6 steps, and we're gonna go through it right now, so you can go from this to this. Well, this guy isn't that bad, and this guy is. I'm not sure about his hair. That's more of an '80s look, but awesome drawings though. So the first step is to take a before photo. So yeah, if you want to make a transformation, get your photo just so you see how bad or where you started. So if you're feeling fat, if you're feeling bloated, you're feeling like hell today, perfect day. I actually recommend getting the worst before photo possible, because the worse the before, the better the after, if that makes sense. Like, I had before photos from like 2016 where I'm like, what? That's embarrassing. And then eventually your after becomes your new before. That should be the goal. So get a photo today, and then you go to step 2. Step 2 is commit. And no, this doesn't mean sharing motivational quotes or watching motivational videos or ranting and raving on social media about how hard you work. I'm sure you work hard. Nobody cares about that. I want you to commit with like a challenge or something fun and exciting. Put some money on the line. Call yourself out. I make everyone that works with me take a before photo. Obviously, I don't show anyone until the after. But you need some stakes, So you can call yourself out. You can post your own before photo and be like, F this, I'm fed up, I'm embarrassed. Throw it on social media, be like, I need changes. Or make a deal, I'll make a bet with a friend, like who can lose the most weight in a month, or who can get the best results, or, put some money on the line. Put some stakes on this, because nobody ever gets into shape to be healthy. Unless you're having a heart attack or you had a heart attack, whatever. Most of us just want to look better for the summer, or to make an ex jealous, or look better in Cancun, or wherever we choose to go eventually. So any kind of bet will work. I prefer money. Hopefully put down $50, bet against a friend, call yourself out. Oh man, or you can even make a deal with like I've made deals with people where I get their before photo, and I'm like, I will send this on whatever. If you don't commit to your workouts, I'm gonna post this on your wall or something like that, right? You need some stakes, or else you're not gonna get any results. Step 3, so now you got your photo, you got the challenge. Now it's time to set an eating window. So I prefer the 1 meal a day, but I do not recommend starting with the 1 meal a day, because it's kind of tough to just all of a sudden try this. Because I remember this guy at my gym tried it, except he would work all day, like literally like all day to like 9-10 p.m. and then eat. I'm like, dude, that's kind of insane. So set an eating window. You can go through other videos. You can decide what you want. You might just want to skip breakfast, have a lunch and a dinner. So you have a lunch at 12, dinner at 8. So 8 hours. It's an 8-hour window. Or you can decide to do lunch at 1, dinner at 5, 4-hour window, or whatever. Set your window. Just so you have a plan. So you have a rough plan, and you know how you're going to get there. And then step 4. I need some coffee. Use the protein first rule. So there's a lot of confusion about diets, and this stuff is very stressful. Trust me. Like, if you try to follow the perfect diet according to a fitness expert, you'd be broke. You'd be broke, and you'd have to hire a professional chef or become one. Because I've tried to order or buy organic and all this like high, highly whatever it's called, highly organic, highly healthy, whatever, blah blah blah. It's super expensive. It can get ridiculous, and a lot of these diets, they make you become a professional chef, and I know you don't want that. Trust me, I don't want that. I enjoy cooking, but I also enjoy ordering a pizza or a Chipotle. So use protein first. Make it a priority to get lots of protein in. So people ask me how, why. I'm like, just eat protein first. So you say you have lunch, make sure you got a lot of chicken with that, or tuna, or tofu, whatever. If you're vegan, vegetarian, if you're a meat lover, whatever, get that protein in, and just that's it for now. Like, don't worry about having the perfect diet. You're going to have carbs. You're going to pig out. It's going to happen. That's not the goal. Here is progress over perfection. Nobody has a transformation by cutting all fun and all good food out of their life. That's called becoming miserable, and you don't want that. Step 5 is train and play. So this is where I have to address the thing about the timelines. I hate using timelines. Like when I post it before and after, I never say the timeline because it's kind of annoying. I mean, it's fun to track, like, oh, I did this in 2 months, 3 months, but for me personally, my timeline was a mess. Like, I would look at my before photo, and then I would get into a little bit better shape, then I would get into worse shape. So I was getting anxious and stressed. So don't worry about the timeline, but just try to train and play. So play is the best cardio, as I mentioned. So by play, add in, more sports into your life. Go for walks if you're in quarantine. Depends when you're watching this. Go for more walks. Listen to podcasts. Go for walks with friends. Go for a jog. I don't do that, but you know what I mean. Go play the frisbee in the park. All fasted or hopefully fasted. Do things that'll make you have fun. I do jiu-jitsu. I've done kickboxing in the past. This is play. It's an easy way to get cardio in, and train. You got to do some training. You can fast and not train and get results, but you're not gonna have you're not gonna be like this, right? You're not gonna be all jacked up, right? Because you're not training. You'll just be skinnier, which is cool. That's your goal. But I'm assuming you want to have abs and have a nice chest and nice shoulders and nice butt, nice hamstrings. So find a training routine. There's a million different routines on social media or anywhere. Just commit to training. You could start off people always tell me, why would I train once a week when I can train every day? Shut up. Just train anytime you can. 3 days a week, 4 days. I try to do 4 or 5. I actually enjoy training. I'm weird like that. So just train and play. And then step 6 for your transformation is how as many good days in a row as possible. So you guys have seen my other video where I use the X. Every time I have a good day, I give myself an X. You're not going to be perfect, but just every time you have a good day, give yourself an X or give yourself a check mark, whatever. And you try to have as many good days in a row. By good day, I mean you wake up, you fast, you have a black coffee, water, you train, you go for a walk, you do something positive, you have a good day. Try to get at least, when you're starting off, at least try to get 5 in a row to build some momentum. Because you're not going to be perfect. There's going to be a lot of mess ups. There's going to be weekends. There's times where, I'm not proud of this, but, I'll go out on a Friday night, have a few drinks, get a little nasty, as I like to say. And then on Saturday, I wake up, I'm like, oh man, I'm hungry. I have a pizza or McDonald's or another drink for the hangover. And, I'm not proud of this, but it happens. So try to get as many good days in a row as possible. So start off with 5 and at least 5 before you try to mess up. If you mess up, it's fine. Get back on track. Because people always message me and say things like, oh, I had a party on Friday. I messed up. I just fell off. No, it's fine if you fall off. It's not fine, but you know what I mean. It's not the end of the world. You fall off. Get back on track. Eventually you're going to set records. You're going to be like, wow, I was good for 12 days in a row. That's amazing. I don't even want to cheat anymore because I have so much momentum going. I don't want to stop, right? So those are the 6 steps to get a transformation going. Go through other videos. You know what? Post your before photo tonight. If you want to start right now, if you want to get a summer bod or summer 2021 bod or fall bod, or if you want to just get into better shape, post that before photo, tag me in it. I'll share it. I'll push you. Good luck on your transformation.